more equipped and serviced public beaches.
This investment is first for the residents who live here.
Qualified tourism workers.
60% of the value of the visitors' experience in a destination is service.
Just some of the top achievements within the tourism sector for 2018. Resumption of flights from Russia and daily flights out of Panama pushed up tourist arrivals. The country also welcomed weekly flights by German airline Eurowings. The bulk of arrivals, however, came from the regular routes, the United States of America, Canada, and England. When 2018 closed, over 4.3 million persons vacationed in Jamaica in the year. This was a 7% increase over 2017. Additional airline seats negotiated in the period amounted to 99,800 flights. Visitors continued to arrive by sea. Of note, Carnival Cruise Line's Carnival Horizon, the newest and biggest of the company's Vista Luxury Line vessels, made its maiden voyage to Jamaica in October. Nearly 4,000 passengers were on board. The nation's ports also received inaugural calls from the following cruise lines: British liner Morella and Florida-based MS Serena. As such, cruise ship arrivals totaled 1.8 million. This represented a 2.1% increase over 2017.
That is a significant performance for any country, especially one as small as Jamaica.
Gross earnings amounted to more than $3.3 billion, an 8.6% increase in revenue over 2017. The Tourism Linkages Network also facilitated huge sales and benefits for the economy. Christmas in July featured an increase in visitors, so too the speed networking event. The ministry hosted the inaugural Tourism Resilience Summit of the Americas at the University of the West Indies in September. The one-day event was attended by key sector stakeholders from Jamaica and the wider region and featured discussions on wide-ranging disruptive industry challenges, including climate change and cybercrime. Prior to that, in June, the Tourism Ministry strengthened its disaster resilience with the use of satellite phones. 6 phones purchased by the ministry at a cost of $3 million were handed over to destination managers.
Even if hurricanes are so strong that your cables are all destroyed, and even if the ocean currents destroy the underground cables that connect you elsewhere, the satellite is there and you can connect with it and talk.
The Excellence Group Luxury Hotels and Resorts opened the $110 million 315-room Oyster Bay Hotel in Trelawney in October. Close by, the 30-acre Rio Nuevo Village attraction was expanded at a cost of over $2 million. 10 public beaches were earmarked for upgrading under the National Beach Development Program. Marking Stone Beach in St. Mary and License in St. Thomas were officially reopened. By April 2019, the other beaches, such as Boston and Winifred in Portland, will be handed over to residents. In a few months, the Hampden Wharf development will unfold, creating jobs in Trelawney as ground was broken for the project last year.
The process will enable us to get the result that we want for the town as a whole, but most importantly, to build out the capacity to deliver quality products, to ensure that the cultural assets of Falmouth and its neighboring areas are properly showcased, and that the returns from the creativity of the people of this area is of such that it enables prosperity in the long run.
The Jamaica Tourist Board expanded its strategies by using data to drive visitor arrivals. As such, a new digital marketing campaign and a promotional website were launched.
And these videos will now populate our space, our social space. And we'll be able to have connectivity to every corner of the world.
The first cohort of trainees enrolled at the Jamaica Center of Tourism Innovation graduated in April. Created to increase access to certification by secondary and tertiary graduates and industry workers, the center certified another 250 hospitality employees in October. Over 20 employees of the Rio Hotel chain were the first cohort to participate in a 3-hour introduction to Spanish training program conducted by training experts from the Cervantes Institute in Spain. And 650 high school students across the island are now in the first of a 2-year hospitality and tourism management program. To top off the year, Portfolio Minister Edmund Bartlett was awarded the International Institute for Peace through Tourism Champions in Challenge Award in London in November. It honors industry stakeholders who display exceptional leadership in making a difference to the sector through words and actions. Jamaica was also named Best Destination for Adventure Tourism. The Tourism Ministry during 2018 continued growth by expanding the reach of Brand Jamaica.